that we filed affidavits and pointed out what actions we have taken. And the court has said that as far as that action is concerned, government is acting on the basis of the orders which are passed by the High Court. But about one instance where there was a report by Talati to the Mamlatdar of bicholim, where inspection was supposed to be carried out, that took place after 1 week of the complaint. There the court has asked for explanation, and the collector is supposed to get the explanation from the Mamlatdar, and that report has to be submitted to the High Court. That is the only instance where the court is now presently focusing. The rest of the things, the court has recorded that the government is taking action, and government will take action further, and every officer will take prompt action whenever there are reports of illegal sand mining, and appropriate action will be taken in terms of the directions of the High Court. Wherever it is reported that illegal sand mining is taking place, the government is taking action. At some places there were some arrests also which were made. There are places where some sand dumps were confiscated, and canoes were also found out, and action in accordance with law were taken.
When is the next date of hearing?
After 2 weeks, it's gone on 29th of April.
So the contemptor has raised one issue saying that he has filed some 6 complaints which doesn't show in your chart which has been submitted to the court.
No, that the court has not observed anything. Court has focused on only one issue where there was a report of the Talati.